On San Antonio's far west side is this beautiful gym located at 702 Grove Bend. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is a very spacious 2,736 square feet. Upon entry, the first thing you notice is the wide open floor plan. The living room has a fireplace and beautiful hardwood flooring. The kitchen has a lovely island, granite countertops, and all updated appliances. The master bedroom is huge and it has an awesome vaulted ceiling. The bathroom has 2 separate sinks, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower. The secondary bedrooms in this home are all nice and cozy, with vaulted ceilings similar to the master bedroom. There's also this bonus room that's currently being used as a bedroom, but could also be used as a media room or family room. And in the front of the home is this office space that's been converted into a workout room. The backyard has a built-in deck overlooking an amazing greenbelt. As if that wasn't enough, the neighborhood park is located literally just 1 house over. It has a playground for the kids and a ton of shade to escape the Texas sun. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.